Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
When was the last time you received a nice handwritten letter from a family or friend? I know it seems a bit old school to send handwritten letters, but I'm sure others feel the same way I do that receiving a handwritten letter can make someone feel loved and cherished. I think this watercolor writing paper from PARTH IMPEX goes the extra mile. This beautiful set of writing paper comes in 56 sheets and 8 different designs of thick and vibrant paper. It is sure to make the recipient feel appreciated. I absolutely love the bright colors on the front and back. It's also fun to find an ink color that matches. I found this paper is also easy to write on. The spacing is perfect, and even though it's thick paper, it's still folded nicely and fit into envelopes just right. I love that the front of it is lined and the back of it is still the beautiful design that's perfect for drawing. So if you're ready to take your letter writing to the next step and make the recipient of your letters feel a little extra love, then don't hesitate to try this beautiful watercolor writing paper from PARTH IMPEX.
And that's my point of view.